Hi, I'm Dan Rinaldi, one of the 10 contestants on the new PBS cooking competition, The Great American Recipe. And today I'll show you how to make my shrimp scampi.
I'd say the thing about Italian cooking that resonates the most to me is pretty much the memories that I've had, growing up with it. If I make a certain dish, I'll think about a certain person in my family. I remember when Grandma used to make this, and seasonally during this time of the year, she would make pasta e fagioli or whatever the case is. So the dishes kind of resonate with me mostly because they're tied to memories from growing up. Yeah, the shrimp scampi dish is just something I came up with. I always enjoyed shrimp scampi. Generally, it's not too spicy or anything like that. I like a little bit of spice, and just kind of all came together with the Calabrian chilies from Italy. I grow them in my garden. We just grind them up and do it.
To watch me make more of my favorite dishes, tune into The Great American Recipe, Thursday at 9 p.m. on WSBE Rhode Island PBS.